like that? Nope. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Smitty's, the truck and travel channel. So I have been making a road trip to Florida from North Carolina because I have a job opportunity there, and I just happened to stop because I saw this. I saw this little guy right here. How cool is that? Like, but it don't stop there. It don't stop there. Hold on. Ding! How cool is that? They're a little off yellow, so they need to repaint it, but that is so cool. I don't even know where I am. But yeah, I am close to Florida, and I'm gonna knock out these interviews and then see if that's where I'm gonna move. Cause yeah, who knows? It's gonna happen. Bebop. Yeah. Come ride with me to Florida and I'll show you around. Ever seen south of the border at night? I bet you haven't. Oh no, it's south of the border, buddy. Can anybody understand what I say? Almost crashed into the trash can. What's going on? Somebody need to get up there and fix them lights. Truckman, fix it, truckman. Mexico. I need some gas, buddy. Come on. Where's the gas station? You wanna go to Pedro's Mexico shop? No? Okay. Where you want to go? You wanna go to the reptile lagoon? There's a dinosaur. Oh, look at the pretty bridge. Just kidding. South of the border motor. And the N is off, so I'm pretty sure they don't have no vacancies. Man, I drove right by the darn gas station. I'll turn up in here. Hope there's a store. Cigarettes and camping. That's all they got. Cigarettes and camping. Welcome to South Carolina. Gonna welcome you to Georgia. Good old Georgia beach. Beaches. Made it to Florida. See the Florida sign right there. Welcome you. Welcome. What's up, you guys? So I finally made it to Florida. I don't know if you can hear me. The windows are down. I kind of... Is that better? Is that worse? So, yeah, I'm completely lost in Florida right now, which is my favorite thing to do. I love to get lost because you experience and you find new things that you wouldn't have found elsewhere if you were just heading to a destination. It's literally my favorite thing to do. I'll flip the camera around so you can see exactly where I am. barn up here. Curiosity is killing the cat. So I have to come check this out. Check out the abandoned barn. Kind of spooky if I put some crazy music on it. There's nothing quite like checking out an abandoned building because you don't know what you're gonna find. And I think there is a house right there. Oh, it's an abandoned house too. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. I said scary. Just walking. Hopefully I don't die out here. Oh, there's another nice house right there. There's an abandoned building right there. An abandoned building right there, the white one. And then there's a house right there. It's a newer one though. Check out these little guys. What's up everyone? So I finally made it to Florida and I quickly turned around and left Florida because the vibe just did not feel right. And I don't know if you've ever had this gut feeling like way down deep, like trust your instincts. And for me, I don't think Florida's a good fit. So I'm gonna be traveling to the next place. I don't know where that's going to be. I wanna figure out where I'm gonna lay my head per se. I do live in my car, so I can lay my head anywhere. I'm trying to find somewhere that I can call home. But yeah, stick with me. Got a few more road trips in mind. The next place I'm gonna be going is up to Tennessee, checking out Tennessee. And then after Tennessee, I'm gonna head up to South Dakota, North Dakota. I got a few places that I really wanna go. And I still have the opportunity to go to California. I lived there once and again, the vibe wasn't right. But yeah, come ride with me, enjoy the scenery, and I'll catch you on the next one.